All right, guys, the most uninteresting unboxing of the entire Sram Force group set. My care package we have gone through. If you're still watching all of these, kudos to you. This is the front derailleur. Unfortunately, Maru derailleur is not here. Who knows why? It says it's been picked. I don't know. I'm still waiting for it. Anyways, nice lilac box. Here we go. Opening her up. I have a cool little tool. QR code. Yep. This is just like the last generation one. Great. Some booklets, and here is the new Sram Force front derailleur. I've actually never held one in my hand before. I've seen it on my bike, obviously, a million times, but it's a hefty little unit. Nice hologram, very cute, very demure. It says Sram. Force is in all black. I like that a lot. It feels substantial. There's no battery in this. We have all our information here. Made in Taiwan. China, please don't invade Taiwan. We need our bike parts. We'll get a weight on this with the battery cover. What can I say? It's black. It's generation E1 right there. It's definitely more narrow. I feel like this cage is updated. That looks different. You know what? We'll just screw this. We're going to run over to my Padone really quick because I truly don't know. Sorry for the mess. Silica tools are the best. Here's the dog of the bike. Here's the design difference. Oh, okay, so it does look different. It's a shorter cage. This is different. Oh, the high-low are on the out. Oh, they're the same spot. JK, exactly the same spot. The cage, wow, look at the cage. Way different. Cool. So this is the 2019 Sram Force. It's like the matte color. And then my dog has, you know, this light, or the shiny later on, the red, etc. Carry on. So that's going to look nice, I think, on the frame. Nice and black. More undercover. We're going to see. Anyways, cage looks different, and let's go get a weight. Let's run back over to the scale. 153 grams. There you go. Thanks so much. And if you watch all these videos, you guys are amazing. Bye. And Connor, I know you're still probably watching. Thanks, bud.